and welcome back to my channel. My name is TrenijahG. Thank you for clicking on this video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and also comment. Yes. Today we are going to do an unboxing and it's going to be, hold on, let me make sure nothing's showing. An Ivy Park shoe unboxing. This is my first pair of Ivy Park shoes and it's definitely won't be my last if I can find them. I never paid this much for tennis shoes because technically wasn't a tennis shoe girl. I'm getting in the street style, you know, and it just makes it all better that, you know, Beyonce's name on it. So yeah, I honestly had this for more than 2 weeks, but I've been patiently waiting on the time that I can open it on camera for you guys. So yes, here we go. I'm scared. I don't know why I'm so scared. I actually got this on, I'll put what website, I can't think from the top of my head, but it wasn't from Adidas site because everything was sold out in my size, but it's here. Yeah, social status. It was social status. I know now because I'm seeing it on the box. I will be very disappointed if the tag isn't in here. The Ivy Park tag that people usually take off when they're wearing the shoes. I wanted to put on my keychain. I want to spice up my keychain because it's not spicy. It is the black ones. I have not seen them yet. So honestly, it could be a whole total different pair of shoes, which is sad. Hopefully it's not. It's not. Okay, I'm getting, oh, I'm unboxing it. Okay. Oh, it's on this way. TrenijahG. I can't even see it right now. All right, it's a black box. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm so scared. Oh God. Okay. Oh. It says the Adidas Ivy Park, and pull it out with the thumb, and it's a 10. Okay, here it goes. Calm down, TrenijahG. It's just shoes. All right, it's in a bag. It looks like so. I feel the tag. It has a tag. It has the tag. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you, Jesus. It has a tag, y'all. Okay. I saw that they had it in like all black. Didn't want that because those were in my size when I saw them, and I was like, I want the brown rim. Oh, like the platform. Usually I don't like platforms, but I've been into them lately. Like I got some Nike shoes that's like a pale pink color with platforms, white platforms. Love it. And I love these more. I'm actually gonna do excuse me, I'm gonna do some outfits, so you know I'm gonna be wearing these. You know, it's just not Ivy Park shoes, yay. These will be worn and these will be loved. I really got to turn up on my keychain game. Wow, I never thought I'd hear myself say that out of all things. But you know what? Yeah, it happened. I'm going to try these on. Please don't come at me because I know my, oh God, this is actually kind of hard to get off. Hold on for a second. Oh, got it off. Actually, I'm gonna put it back on. Wow. Don't come at me because I might have on different color socks. I never have on the same true pair. So yeah, these are amazing and they're not worn. So they were brand new. I bought them brand new, which is honestly great. They probably might have been like tried on or something. And these are a 10. A 10 UK, 8.5, a 42 in, I think that's French. Japan is 270, China is 265. Dang, I got big feet in China. Well, I got big feet, either one. So the next clip you'll see is me trying them on for first impressions. Okay, so I found some no socks that's matching, so that saved me from the embarrassment. But what catch up to me was this floor because it's hideous. But I'm about to put on the shoes now. Oh shit. They're so comfortable. Hold on, I gotta get this stuff out. Oh, they fit, and I have a little bit more room in them, so that is great. Oh, y'all, look at this. Yes, I love these shoes. You know, you seen that Instagram video when she was hopping in and she was like, whew. Hey, okay, all right. So this is gonna be a little bit new for me, but this is the way that I'm gonna show y'all this outfit. So I got this shirt from Old Navy a while ago, and I paired it with my black and brown Ivy Park belt with some jeans from Old Navy and the shoes, just a casual look, and I put the tag on there. So that is the first look. So you already know I had to start it off with the whole black Ivy Park fit. So we got the shoes, the suit pants, the shirt, and the half blazer, and we are here for the whole look. Okay, so for the next one, I got on this Shein long sleeve like midi dress with the half blazer and the belt. I kind of twisted it in the back. Hold on, if you can see, so it can be like the brown and the black, the brown with the brown stripes and the black with the black stripes, you know. And then I twisted it to make it, you know, fall, cinching the waist, because your girl, she needs it, and she's not ashamed to ask for help. And I think this is just such a classic yet comfortable look. Like, come on, you're not gonna be like, oh, ew, what outfit is that? You're gonna be like, yes, okay, I see you doing it a little different, and I'm gonna be like, yes, that's what I'm here for. I'm here for that inspiration, boo. Yes, I am so cringy. Honestly, this is giving me such summertime vibes. Comment down below if you know the song Summertime. If you know the song Summertime with Beyonce, that means you are an OG. You know your stuff. Like, you really know your stuff. But anyways, this is like a rib halter top. It's really thick. That's why no bra. Pretty nips. And then I have the high-waisted mom jeans, like whitewash with the shoes. And then the belt, I decided to just turn it to the all black side. I don't really know about this one, but y'all tell me if y'all like this. So basically, I have like this corduroy, like high-waisted skirt with the shoes, of course, and like this velvet bustier with the black coat. And I was trying to like do a different look, a little dressy. I'm not for sure. Honestly, I feel like if I had like a different coat on or something. Hold on. I'm not for sure if this better, but this was like a blazer dress, which could have looked cute by itself with the shoes, but it went missing, and with that, all of the buttons are gone. And I can't really fit it all that well. I can't even do my arm all the way up. So I'll just buy another one with this look in mind, because they'll be cute too. But something like this as a vibe, something closer to it, because this isn't quite hitting it as, you know, it's not on the bullseye completely. Y'all get what I'm saying. That is it. Yeah, that's all the outfits we're gonna do today. I just realized that it was all color coordinated, but I don't know why. I'm so into like monochromatic outfits right now. So yes, that is it for my video, for my unboxing of my Ivy Park shoe. Yes, the black on black, period. And I hope y'all like the outfits. I hope y'all got inspired about some, you know, just in case you weren't, you know, sure what you wanted to wear. Or so without further ado, I'm going to end this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, my loves. Mwah.